99% of YouTubers fail in growing their YouTube channel is because they have big creators titles. In this video, I'm going to review everything you need to know about growing on YouTube. I have studied different creators on YouTube and I find out that you shouldn't copy them. If you really want to grow on YouTube, then stick with small creators first. The most common mistakes I see YouTubers make is that they try to copy big creators' titles. And here's what they don't know. Big creators tend to write titles based on their subscribers' interest. Take for instance, Sonia, who has over 80,000 subscribers. If you observe, she mainly writes titles based on her subscribers' interest, not SEO, search engine optimization. Now that's what you need to be thinking as a beginner creator on YouTube. Because what really triggers the YouTube algorithm to start pushing out your content to the large audience is browsing features. And if you don't think SEO when writing titles, then you are just going to drown in the sea of creators on YouTube. Statistics has it that there are over 51 million active channels on YouTube, both the ones that are monetized and the ones that are not yet monetized. And there are about 200,000 creators on YouTube that are not yet monetized. And I'm going to help you get there. The next thing you need to be using right now is tags that are related to your titles, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with SEO tags related to your video title. Your click-through rate matters a lot. That is the rate at which people click on your video each time they see your video thumbnail. In my first video, I got a click-through rate of 2.3%, but in my recent video titled How to Outsmart the YouTube Algorithm, I got a click-through rate of 9.9% out of 10%. And most YouTubers struggle to get to 5%. So my click-through rate was excellent, meaning my thumbnail is eye-grabbing. Now what really matters is your impression. In that video, I got an impression of 81, meaning that YouTube showed my video 81 times to viewers. What this means is that YouTube is still testing my video with a small audience. If you get an impression of 2,000, that means your channel is about to blow up. Now why did I get an impression of 81 and a click-through rate of 9.9%, which is extremely high out of 10%? Well, it's simply because when I was posting my video, I didn't think SEO when writing my titles. I was focused on what big creators usually do. But I realized as a small creator, you should think SEO. Assuming that my video got an impression of 1,000 with the click-through rate of 9.9% that I already had, that my channel would blow up that day and I would probably get monetized. If you watch this video, I know that you have gained something. So kindly drop a comment if you have any questions or anything to add. If you love to get more advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell. Thanks for watching.